Hey guys, so I thought I would do a quick review video on the Senreve card wallet. Mine is in the Dolce leather in the color Bordeaux, which is a very deep burgundy wine color. The Dolce leather ones retail for 125 US, and the pebbled leather ones retail for 115. So this one says Senreve in gold. Other side is blank. The zipper is gold and opens really easily. So the interior is a light gray, really smooth microfiber suede feel to it. There's one pocket on this side, another pocket on the inside, and just the middle compartment. And to give you an idea of what fits inside, I've got 4 cards in the middle, 1 card on each side. You can fit some cash in here and you only have to fold it once. And then it zippers, no issues, although I wouldn't stuff too much in there, otherwise it might get caught in the zipper. So I've used this a few times. I really like it. It's good for when you need a compact wallet, but you need something that holds a little more than a card case. It's pretty slim. It's a good size wallet for when you don't need to carry much. Also makes a great gift. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.